Hello, it is me, it is I. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wendy, also known as the Geek Goddess here on YouTube. And today we are opening an Illumicrate box, my very first Illumicrate box. I am so excited, you guys. I'm so excited. I've been waiting literally like 6 weeks for this thing. It's my first Illumicrate box. I have been on the waiting list for who knows how long now, but it is here. It is in my hands and I'm so excited. So even though my face isn't, like, I barely have any makeup on, I usually have way more makeup on, I couldn't wait to film this. Like, I had to film it now because I'm just that excited. So let's go ahead and open this baby up and see what we got. Okay, so if you guys don't know, Illumicrate is basically a monthly subscription service that has like a wait list, and it takes forever to finally get like invited. And then once you get invited, you only have 24 hours to like activate it. And every month it's a different theme, and it's either going to be a young adult book or an adult book. I am not a big YA reader, but I am still like, I still do want to collect the books, and I definitely of course want to read them as well. So I'm so excited because I finally get to have this box, and it comes with other little goodies. So we're going to take a look at what I got in here, and I'm just so excited. This is $38.99, and I think it comes from the UK, which is why it takes a while. So if you're located in the UK, it's going to be cheaper, but if you live in the United States or Canada, I think it's more because it's being shipped to a different country. So let's take a look at what we got. So I got the box that comes with like everything. It comes with the book, and it comes with like little goodies and merchandise, and you don't get to choose if you want YA or adult. It just comes, and it just comes whatever. Last month I had to get whatever was in there because I couldn't miss, you know, the invite, so it was YA, but I know this month it's adult. It's an adult, and it's all fantasy, I believe. So you usually get fantasy books with it. I don't think it comes with anything else. I think it's strictly fantasy, but if I'm wrong, please correct me, or I will put it here if I'm wrong, but I do think it's only fantasy. Ready? Ready? Oh. Okay, so it looks like this, and right at the top, it says Magic versus Science. And then it even tells you May's theme, which is magical bonds, and it's going to be an adult book, but this one I believe is young adult. So let's see the first thing that we get here. Ooh, okay. So the first thing that we got is this thing, which is, I don't know. Okay, so it has a little quote here. It says, here, let me take it out. It says, I wish for you to not go anywhere without me in this world and the next. I wish for you to choose me. That's beautiful. I don't know what book that quote is from, but if you know, please let me know. I'm trying to block my face so it concentrates. And this is a pencil box, I believe. Yeah, it's like a little pencil tin, which will be wonderful because I've been putting all my like stationery pencils and pens in here. So it'll be nice to like transfer it over to something a lot more sleek and nicer. So the next thing is we got gardening gloves. I literally was just thinking about like starting to garden because I mean I work from home, so I'm always home, so I wanted to take on a hobby and be one with nature more. So this works perfectly. I have little tiny munchkin hands, so they are a little bit big, but look at that, it's so cute. Do you guys like ASMR? It feels like slimy. You know what I'm talking about? Have you ever had like slime? That's how it feels, but like glove edition. And then the backs have these beautiful flowers. And I just feel like I'm all good to go and garden. That's exciting. Okay, that's fun. I like these. So far, so good. And then we have something else here. We've got this little pouch, which alone on its own is like adorable. It's like this mesh fabric. And then on the inside we have, I want to say coasters. are these coasters? But they're like soft. So I don't know if these are like beauty sponges or makeup remover sponges, but they're like soft. And okay, can we talk about this fabric here? These are tarot cards. Tarot cards. I don't know if you guys know this, but I mean, I did a video way back when where I let tarot choose my TBR, but I'm a professional tarot card reader. So this, I appreciate this a lot. I literally just did my friend's reading today. So this is so funny that got tarot cards. I think that's, no, there's something else here. Is that the book? Or is this the book? What is this? There's a big old thing here. Is this the book? Oh, it's a jigsaw puzzle. Jigsaw puzzle, the science fiction bookcase. How cool is that? And it literally looks like a book. That's so cool. Oh my gosh. So look, it looks like this. I don't know if the puzzle looks like that. If the puzzle looks like that, that's badass. I will put that on my bookshelf. That's so cool. It's 1,000 pieces. I think this will be really fun for me and my daughter to do together. I like this. I like this a lot. This is awesome. Look at that. Look at that. That's so cool. Heck yes. And then at the very bottom, we have the book for this month. Ooh, okay. Pretty. Okay, let's open it. And I'm going to be very careful. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm so excited. Like, I've always wanted one of these boxes. you have no idea, like, how long. I subscribed to Fairy Loot, and then I got the notification way too late, so I didn't get to subscribe. So now I'm still waiting. So to actually finally be able to get into something and get a beautiful edition of some book or another is very exciting. So we got To Gaze Upon Wicked Gods. Look at that. And then it says Illumicrate exclusive. Look at how pretty that is. Oh, do you see the way that like gold reflects on the light? That's gorgeous in the front too. The gold like reflects. And then we have our sprayed edges. I'm sorry, I've never had, like, I've had sprayed edges, but I've never had sprayed edges with so much detail. Look at that. Oh my god. I'm sorry. I'm not used to having sprayed edges like this. Like, this takes fancy to a whole other level. Look at that. Don't focus on my face. Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you see that? Okay. So, I don't know. The artwork. Oh, look at the artwork. It is stunning. So you got artwork on this side, and then, oh, look at that. Artwork on this side. Stunning. And then, I'm not sure if, I know Fairy Loot has like, it has like a print underneath the jacket. I'm not sure if oh, yep, Illumicrate does it too. Oh my god! Oh my god! Can we let's admire this. Okay, you have this like Asian inspired themed here. And then over here it looks like Greece. And then you have like this tree that like goes down the middle and then it splits the two. But can we just like admire that? Can we admire that? Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry guys, like I've never had an edition that was like just so, this is so exciting. Like this is so exciting. I know this was like a YA, but I'm still excited to read this. Like I'm not gonna lie. Now maybe it'll make me fall. There has been a few YA books that I'm like, okay, this was good. Yeah, I was gonna say, okay, this looks like China, right? This looks like ancient China. So the author is Chinese, of Chinese descent. And I love books with like Chinese, like mythology, even if they're YA. For example, Iron Widow was so good, so good. And that was YA, and I read it recently. So I'm excited for this. So let's go into the synopsis because we haven't even done that. Oh my gosh! She actually, oh my gosh, the author of Iron Widow actually blurbed it. That's great. Okay. Yes, yes, we love the supportive queen here. So it says, she has power over death. He has power over her. When two enemies strike a dangerous bargain, will they end up in war? Will they end a war or ignite one? Heroes die, cowards live. For as long as Yang Ruying has been alive, the empire of Erlang has been occupied by Romans. Oh, Romans, not Greek. Who mercilessly defeated the magic of her people. Now the invaders advance science, technology, and military, make them gods. But Ruying is special. Having been blessed by death and born with the ability to pull life out of mortal bodies. When Anthony, the second prince of Rome, uncovers Ruying's power, he offers her an impossible deal. If she becomes his private assassin and eliminates his political rivals, her family will be protected. Can Ruying trust the prince, whose promises of a better world make her heart ache and whose smiles make her pulse beat faster? Are the evils of their agreement really in the service of the much greater good? Or will she betray her entire nation to guard those she loves most? That's so good. So it kind of gives me a little bit of, I want to say like Iron Widow meets Throne of Glass vibes. This looks so good. I'm excited for this, you guys. I'm so excited. So now I'm gonna open this and see everything that we got. So we got, yes, the science fiction bookcase puzzle, which is this right here. And this Choose Me bookmark tin. So this is a bookmark tin where you can put your bookmarks. I didn't even think of that. I have a lot of bookmarks. That's so cool. So these are Moths and Poppies reusable wash pads. Remove your makeup easily on the go with these wash pads. And featuring artwork inspired by the Bone Season. Oh, that is awesome. So these are wash pads. Okay, so yeah, because I was like, are these? I didn't know what these were. I thought they were wash pads or coasters. Why can't I think of the word? And then we got Botanical Constellation Gardening Gloves. And then we got the book. That's awesome. Okay. And then May's theme is Magical Bonds. That's my first Illumicrate box, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed opening this. I really wanted to share this experience with you guys firsthand because it's something like I've really been wanting for a really long time. So to be able to like share that excitement with you guys who I know will understand because you guys have the same passion and love for books that I do is just amazing. And to have that platform to be able to do so is honestly really amazing as well. So if you guys have a Illumicrate or you guys subscribe to any sort of book subscription service, please let me know down in the comments below. I can't wait till I get the thumbs up for Owlcrate, which I signed up for, and Fairy Loot, because it'd be so awesome to be doing those and Illumicrate all at the same time and kind of comparing the boxes to see who takes it all. But I'm really excited, you guys. This is amazing. I really like this a lot. I had a lot of fun opening this, and I love that you get extra goodies with this. So if you guys haven't, please hit that subscribe button to be notified when I post. I usually post 2 to 3 times a week here on YouTube. I also have a book talk as well as a Amazon wishlist down below and a Goodreads. So if you want to be friends on Goodreads, I would love to add you. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! And also make sure to give me a thumbs up because that definitely helps the channel out as well. And if you guys reached it to the very end, put a little star emoji because this gives, with the gold and all that, it gives me like very like star whimsical, there's even stars here vibes. So put a little star emoji. So like those 3 stars or like that 1 star, but put like a star emoji to know that you reached the end. Once again, you guys, I really appreciate you for being here. And if you haven't, please, I would appreciate the subscribe if my channel vibes with you or my personality vibes with you. I would love to have you here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!